Ever wonder which AI is the ultimate coding chef? Today we are throwing ChatGPT and DeepSeek into the programming kitchen to see which one whips up the best new language. I wrote a script with instruction for a brand new programming language and sent it to both ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Now it's time to test their cooking. So I want them to create that programming language with JavaScript. This is what ChatGPT creates. It's very long code with 200 lines, and the next one is for DeepSeek and it's just 52. I don't think it's going to be okay, but I will test both of them. The right one is like WordPress plugin. I don't know you ever seen that before or not. This is WordPress plugin. ChatGPT's version, the white term, looks like a WordPress plugin. No distractions, straight to business. Meanwhile, DeepSeek's version blue theme is on another level of gradient backgrounds. Now it's time to test their statement handling. I've got a list of statements to run in both languages. Let's see how they perform. I first test the input and output statements. The output worked fine in both, but for inputs only ChatGPT created. DeepSeek completely missed it. Next I tested variables and expressions. Both handled number well, but when it came to strings, ChatGPT covered it properly, while DeepSeek didn't handle it at all. Next I tested the if and for statements. DeepSeek did creative and for loops, but the issue is that it only showed whether the condition was true or false, and the for loop just repeated a sentence.